Good morning, everyone. It's Dr. Morales again. Doing flying solo again for the pandemic COVID precautions. So the question today is can I have a mommy makeover if I want to have more kids? Their answer is sure, why not? That's the honest answer. But the reality of it is that most mommy makeovers cost a significant amount of money, and you invested all this money into rejuvenating body as far as improving the breast volume, restoring breast shape, rejuvenating the abdomen with removal of skin like a tummy tuck, and contouring with liposuction. And typically the muscles are tightened for a tummy tuck to kind of flatten out in the tummy again and get it nice and tight before having children. So all these kind of reconstructive procedures can be done. And if you get pregnant again, you kind of undo a lot of it. You may or may not do a whole bunch of it out, and you have to redo it again. That's a very, very, very high possibility that you'll have some kind of maybe you call it a touch-up, or you do a revision of a tummy tuck because you stretch your skin back out, or your breasts have changed a little bit from another child. But having a baby itself will not be impacted by having like a tummy tuck. It will not. The baby will have plenty of room. Your body will stretch. Whether or not you need to be readjusted as far as retightening again after that, the child again, or removing some extra skin, who knows? Just kind of depends on your pregnancy. I don't recommend that. I would always recommend that you wait until you have children before you have a mommy makeover, because it's a significant investment, and you want to be able to maintain that significant investment in the long term. So your body's not changed dramatically. And I would say having another child is a dramatic change in your body. So hope that answered your questions. Stay tuned. We have some more.